video, we have a short and simple story. We will practice reading easy words together. Are you ready? Let's start! Don't forget to watch the video about the short A sound. It will help you read this story. The title of this story is A Madman. I will go first, so listen carefully. After that, it's your turn to repeat after me. This is a madman. The madman has a van. A madman on the van. The madman has a hat. A madman, a van, and a hat. Wonderful! Now, let's repeat the story one more time. This time, try to read along with me. This is a madman. The madman has a van. A madman on the van. The madman has a hat. A madman, a van, and a hat. Great job, everyone! You did amazing with the story A Madman. If you want to practice more, don't forget to check out my other videos too. See you in the next video!